quick short on BMW O2 sensor. This is bank 1, part of this one. Cylinder listing 123 there, and then right below there is exhaust. So right there is where the sensor was, and this is that sensor. Unscrewed it off, and I actually used the tool here. You can get these AutoZone, O'Reilly's, anywhere, but it just made it a lot easier to twist it off. Really, it's like a 22 socket, but with a special hook there for your ratchet. So took that off, going back in with a new sensor. I was getting like a P172 and a 175 code for these on bank 1. So just putting that back in there, right? And there's the wiring that goes with it. It's a long piece of wire. And that'll wrap around the back side. Just wrap it around, and then it'll plug into here, okay? So that's pretty much it, but I just wanted to give a quick short on the O2 sensor. These are the Upstream, and down below, this is bank 1, that's one on bank 2, and then down below, as the pipe goes back to the catalytic converter, the back side, that would be the downstream. So those a little harder to get to, but I did want to show this real quick. Give me a like, thumbs up, comments. All right, bye.